This is Mira's first balloon experience here at Burgerville. By the way, this is her favorite song in the background too. We requested it for her. This is what she's eating, but Papa's sharing it with her. Just kidding. This is what she's eating. Although she's not eating it because she's too excited about the balloon. Balloon! Balloon! Who knows how long this will go on for, but it's been going on for quite a while already, and we just wanted to give you a little clip. Mira, what do you think of the balloon? Do you love the balloon?